this box of LED lights on eBay, and I went with deck lights because they're outdoor and they're waterproof. So I'm using them on a bathroom. Besides the box, it was about 35 bucks, I think. You got 10 little LEDs that connect together like this with 3 feet distance between each other one. I still had to do additional wiring because I had to spread out the wiring. I've hid, it comes with a little transformer. You can see it's in there. I'm trying to show you guys, it's black, it's a little box. I actually hid it inside of there. I had to do some shaving and some tricky stuff to get it to fit in the little electrical receptacle box, but I did it. So what I did is tapped in power from here with the positive and negative and went in here and split the black wire and connected them, one up here and one over here, and that splits the circuit, turning this on and off. I hid the wires going down into the flooring, and I went around underneath the drywall, fed it over there, around over here, up inside of here, and went up into the wall. I've cut out some shelving, and what I've done here is wired them up. It was a little bit tricky. I believe I went all the way this way with the wire and started this way and fed them through each of the 3 lights, connecting it down here. And this is where I had to split the wire again and reconnect it with additional speaker wire and then connect them again going this way. The reason I did that and went into like a backwards S was because I then fed the wires through here, connected them, going down into the wall, through there, and we're gonna come through the shower over here where I'm gonna add another shelf inside of the shower that I'm remodeling, and I'm gonna put 3 more additional lights. So that one single switch is gonna activate 10 of the deck lights. And it's separate from the additional light that turns the fan on, the light, and the LED lights. So I think that's pretty cool. So just trying to give you guys ideas of what you can do to your bathroom or your bedroom or car or wherever you're gonna install these things, or your deck. So they're pretty cool for about 35, 40 bucks. I think the main major stores like Home Depot, Lowe's, and all that wanted like 75. So come straight from China. So thanks for watching. I hope this video helps you guys out on how to wire them up and inspires you to do so. So thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up.